Here's some Empires of Africa trivia. Subscribe. Which West African empire was known for its wealth from gold? Is it A. Oyo Empire, B. Kanem-Borno Empire, C. Aksum Kingdom, or D. Ghana Empire? The correct answer is D. Ghana Empire. Which empire was famous for its trade routes across the Sahara? Is it A. Roman Empire, B. Byzantine Empire, C. Ottoman Empire, D. Mali Empire? The correct answer is D. Mali Empire. Who was the emperor famous for pilgrimage to Mecca? Is it A. Ashoka, B. Mansa Musa, C. Suleiman I, or D. Augustus? The correct answer is B. Mansa Musa. Which empire succeeded the Mali Empire in West Africa? Is it A. Songhai Empire, B. Ottoman Empire, C. Ashanti Empire, or D. Kingdom of Kush? The correct answer is A. Songhai Empire. What was the capital of the ancient Mali Empire? Is it A. Timbuktu, B. Ghana, C. Cairo, or D. Lagos? The correct answer is A. Timbuktu. Which empire is known for the Great Zimbabwe ruins? Is it A. Mali Empire, B. Great Zimbabwe, C. Roman Empire, or D. Ottoman Empire? The correct answer is B. Great Zimbabwe. Which empire was the first to dominate trade along the East African coast? Is it A. Roman Empire, B. British Empire, C. Omani Empire, or D. Swahili coast? The correct answer is D. Swahili coast. What was the alphabet used by the Kingdom of Aksum? Is it A. Latin alphabet, B. Cyrillic script, C. Ge'ez script, or D. Arabic script? The correct answer is C. Ge'ez script. What was the main religion of the Mali Empire? Is it A. Christianity, B. Hinduism, C. Islam, or D. Animism? The correct answer is C. Islam. Which civilization built the Great Pyramids of Giza? Is it A. Ancient Greece, B. Ancient Egypt, C. Minoan civilization, or D. Babylonian Empire? The correct answer is B. Ancient Egypt. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.